So, tatlo lang po yung risk na kakaharapin natin sa buhay. Wala po itong exemption. Lahat po tayo may experience ito. What if we die too soon? Kailangan daw mapaghandaan natin, magkaroon tayo ng life insurance para merong makuhang instant money po yung ating pamilya. Then what if we live too long? We need protection, we need investment para at least maging living on interest na po tayo dito. Then what if we get sick po? Kailangan meron daw po tayong healthcare na magagamit po para hindi tayo maging burden po sa ating family. So ang solusyon daw po sa tatlong risk po ng ating buhay is si Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder po. Dahil meron na po siyang short-term healthcare, may long-term healthcare na po, may life insurance, then may saving and investment. Miss Janice, meron na rin akong healthcare. Don't you worry po dahil pag hindi niyo po nagagamit, yung healthcare nyo po dito kay Kaiser ay nagiging saving and investment nyo po. So yung ipon nyo po dito kay Kaiser po is ipon na walang tapon, hindi po siya nasasayang. Po na natutunan natin kanina na si Kaiser is meron na pong healthcare insurance investment. Kaya ang ating brand ambassador po ng Kaiser na si Daniel Padilla po, kay Kaiser daw po is nasa iyo na ang lahat, sabi po ni Kaiser. Kaya sa mga interesado po na matutunan pa yung mga other benefits po ni Kaiser, you can email me at fernandezjanice01@gmail.com po. So according to Jack Ma, buying insurance cannot change your life, but it prevents your lifestyle from being changed. An illness can wipe up an interfamily savings that they have saved for decades by the medical bills. You will not turn bankrupt because buying insurance, but you will cause your loved ones to turn bankrupt if you don't. Kaya napakahalaga po talaga na magkaroon tayo ng healthcare po, especially yung in-offer po sa atin ni Cancer kasi meron na po itong healthcare, life insurance, and investment po.